Hey guys, Dino Dan back with you. Hey, today we're going to go over how to manage EEprom items in C3. If you've been following along on some of the other videos, uh, there is one that steps you through how to manage EEprom items in WinPV, which is the older tuning application for the original PowerVision tuning device that's exclusively built for and to be used with Harley Davidson motorcycles. So hopefully you're familiar with Power Core. There's also some videos on Power Core, what it is, how it works, so on and so forth, some tips and tricks. But here's the app launcher. Today we're going to be engaged with C3 tuning software. And as a disclaimer, bear with me, I'm using a new screen capture software. So it might get a little clunky here, but hopefully we can jam through this pretty quickly so I don't waste any of your time. So again, we're in C3. I'm going to go ahead and open an existing, in this case, PVT, PowerVision Tune file, that I'm going to be using with a PowerVision, as mentioned. Okay, so we'll pop open this PVT. We did go through, I believe, in one of the videos on all the different calibration variables. In this case, there's a lot of different, three different actually icons for the different calibration items in a tune or in a calibration. So down here in limits and switches is typically where you're going to find most of the EEprom items that I keep babbling about. So you'll see this icon here. See if I can't. There you go. So all these guys right here, this little icon is indicating that this is an EEprom item. And so the behavior is a little bit different than other things like, fuel table. For example, we just tap on this value here and the table pops up and we go to edit. Okay, perfect. Now, EEprom items, they don't show up, right? We can just kind of scroll through these, and I was just running the arrows up and down. They just are hidden. Until you check the box, you can see the current value. And this value, if the checkbox is checked and the file is saved, is going to be part of that file and flashed to the ECU. If I uncheck this, these are all ignored. Okay? So if you're actually intending to, let's say, enable the, chassis fan, check the box. There's the value. It's 0. That means we're not enabling it. Now we've set it to 1. Now we are enabling it. If I go ahead and save this file with a save as, and we'll just say blah 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 here, chassis fan. Now when I go ahead and load this tune file up to a PowerVision and flash the ECU, we are going to have this particular feature or EEprom item enabled. So anyhow, really straightforward, not a big deal. Just wanted to bring that to light. Hopefully you found it useful. And I know a lot of you have had other requests on, best practices on tuning torque-based ETC and a lot of other stuff. So as time permits, I'll try to, get into some of that stuff. So anyhow, until next time, this is Dino Dan, and check me out next time. Have a great day.